Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix a screen rotate problem on lava phone. Friends, you want to fix your screen rotate problem on your lava phone. So how to fix a screen rotate problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends, when you use and guys when you on any app on your device and friends your screen rotate automatic. So how to fix auto screen problem on lava phone today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, scroll it and friends click on display setting. After on display setting friends, scroll it again. As you can see auto rotate, friends by mistake you have on, and you will have to click here. And friends, now friends you can use any app on your device and friends your screen will not rotate automatic. Friends, you can see the screen will not rotate. So like that friends we can fix auto rotate problem on lava phone device guys. And friends, you can fix with shortcut setting also. So friends, again open your phone setting, and guys we will not click on display setting, then we'll click on search option and guys search here auto rotate setting. Friends, you can see auto rotate setting. Friends, click here direct. Friends, you can fix your auto rotate and friends you want to use. So after on friends you want to rotate your mobile screen, so then you can rotate your mobile screen. And friends you don't want to use, so then you can fix, go to your display setting and friends off auto rotate. Screen will not rotate automatic on lava phone. So like that friends we can fix auto rotate screen. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.